Astronomers announced that they found a new solar system with 7 rocky Earth-like planets in the temperate zone of their star, just 39 light-years away from Earth. 39 light-years might seem like a long distance, and we don't have any way of getting there, but it's actually really close when you think about the scale of the galaxy. The Milky Way is 100,000 light-years wide, and 39 light-years is practically our next-door neighbor. The system, which is called TRAPPIST-1 for the star at its center, is located in the constellation Aquarius. The star at its center is an ultra-cool dwarf that's just 1/10 of the size of our Sun. All of the planets orbit in very tight circles around it. Because they orbit an ultra-cool dwarf star, which is very dim and faint, they're a lot easier to spot than planets that orbit bigger and brighter stars like our Sun. All of the planets are Earth-sized and have more or less the same mass as Earth. They're also located in what's called the temperate zone, where they receive roughly the same amount of warmth from their sun that we do from ours. The fact that they're in this temperate zone means that they could sustain liquid water on their surface, something that scientists think is essential for life. But there are some reasons to be skeptical that we might be finding aliens on these planets anytime soon. For one thing, the relationship between the planets and their star means that they're tidally locked. So one side always faces the sun, while the other side is constantly in darkness. This doesn't seem like the coziest place to live. For another thing, habitability is kind of a squishy concept. It's purely theoretical, and scientists really aren't sure what the parameters are for life on other planets. Even if there's no life on these worlds, it's still really exciting to have another solar system with 7 new planets for scientists to study. Until now, if astronomers wanted to study a rocky terrestrial planet, they only had 4 of them, the 4 in our solar system. Now they have 7 more. This means they can start asking questions about how planets form around other stars.